Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIHD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but in this situation, very, very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low point, then it's not like it slightly recovered. I mean, it got all the way back up there. So there's no doubt about it that that was a very nice bounce on the day. But that does bring up the question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $1.65. Why is $1.65 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about $1.65. Any sort of break below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area that it just broke out from. And again, prices that go back, not a sign of true strength or power or anything like that. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in this manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that low right there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. As long as the price is making progress, that's what you want to see. And again, that quote-unquote progress point right there at $1.65. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, in the very near term, you have this purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. And this area is being very, very stubborn. You can see the price got rejected there, price got rejected there, and then price essentially closed right at that level going into the end of the week. So that'll be the first kind of key question is, can the price finally get up above and stay up above $1.75? The next key overarching level of resistance, if the price can clear through the 50-period moving average, would be the 200-period moving average, which on my chart is being denoted by the pink line up there. So all in all, though, those are going to be the next key levels of resistance. But any way you look at it, you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls did make a very nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.